How's it going everyone? In this video I'll show you some useful tips to help you save money when buying on Amazon. However, before you click the buy now button, you should ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. Do I need to buy it? If not, then don't buy it. Not spending money is the best way to save money. If the answer is yes, then ask yourself, 2. Do I need to buy it on Amazon? If not, then shop around for a better deal. If Amazon is the cheapest, then ask yourself this final question. Do I need to buy it on Amazon right now? If the answer is no, then you may want to wait for a better time, for example when it's on sale. So you might be asking yourself, well, how do I know if the price is good right now? Well, that's where price trackers come in handy. So tip number 1, use Camel to track prices. This is an online service that monitors the price history of millions of Amazon products and can alert you when a price drops, thus saving you money. It's free to use and you can get alerts straight into your inbox. Just click the product, enter your email address and you can select a percentage price drop or any price drop, then click track. You'll be given a unique private page for your price watch where you can monitor or update it. You will also be emailed a link if you didn't bookmark it so you can go back and delete it when you want. You can delete the price watch just by clicking this button. When clicking on a product, you can see the price history of that item in a chart, or check out the table below for the highest or lowest prices. Another way to use their service is to download their browser extension called the Camelizer. If you click on the browser add-on link on the homepage, you can download it on Chrome or Firefox. If you choose Chrome, you'll be taken to the Chrome web store where you can click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once installed, you can go to any Amazon product page, click the camel button in the toolbar and you can see the price history. You can then decide if it's a good time to buy. Again, enter your email address in the bottom to set up a price watch. Tip 2. Today's deals. Another way to find deals and make savings is on Amazon's Today's Deals section. You can find it by clicking the link underneath the search bar. Deals of the day run for 24 hours and lightning deals are available until the time the deal expires. This is useful if you're looking for a gift for someone and are not sure what to buy. If you know what you want, it's best to search for it directly. The lightning deals are quantity and time limited, so you need to add to cart and buy before the time is up. Tip 3. Amazon Warehouse. This little known section on Amazon offers used, open boxed or returned items for sale at a lower price. You can normally find it next to today's deals in the menu, otherwise click the drop down next to the search bar and select Amazon Warehouse. Then when you hit the search bar with this selected, it will go to the main warehouse section page. The stock is constantly changing, but it's definitely worth checking first if you need a product and you don't mind pre-owned or used products. Tip 4. Amazon Outlet. This is another little known section of Amazon where you can find discounts on leading brands. It's quite difficult to find because there isn't always a link to it on the top menu. However, you can find it by typing Amazon Outlet in the search bar and clicking the category link that appears. This is different from Warehouse because here you can shop for clearance lines, discontinued products and overstocks, as opposed to used products. Again, they have all the major product categories. Super Discounts is a good place to start and has a host of weird and wonderful products at knockdown prices. Tip 5. Vouchers or coupons. You know those coupon sites where you can find codes to add to the checkout to get discounts? Well, Amazon has its own coupon code section. On Amazon UK it's called Vouchers. This is normally underneath the main search bar. Alternatively, you can type Vouchers in the search bar to find the official link. In order to claim a voucher, all you need to do is click on a voucher to add it to your basket, select the product. The discount is then automatically applied at the checkout when you purchase that product. You need to do that before the voucher expiration date. Oftentimes you don't even need to go to the voucher section. Product pages will have the vouchers displayed on them that you can manually apply. Tip 6. Subscribe and save. Subscribe and save is a subscription service for commonly used products. You get up to 15% off everyday items with free automatic deliveries. So for example, every month you might need laundry detergent. Just select subscribe and save, select the delivery schedule. If you select 5 or more subscriptions in a single delivery, you get 15% off. There is no commitment once you subscribe. They'll send you a reminder email before each delivery showing the items, price and any applicable discount. If you click on manage your subscriptions, you can skip deliveries or cancel your subscriptions at any time. One thing you have to watch out for though is the price. It can change every month. So the first month you subscribe, it could have been an incredible deal. However, the second month could be full retail price. For that reason, it's important to check your subscription reminder emails before each delivery. You can then skip the delivery or just cancel it. You will still get 15% off if you have 5 or more subscriptions in your delivery. As you can see, there is a range of subscribe and save favorites as well as popular categories. Speaking of subscriptions, if you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful content, or share this video with your family and friends so they can benefit from a few savings too. I'm sure everyone you know likes to save money. On to the last and final tip. Tip 7, Amazon Prime. Of course you've heard of it, you know you have to pay extra for the privilege, so you might be thinking, how does that save you money? The standard benefits you get with Prime are free faster shipping, next day delivery, free movie and TV streaming, a large selection of music streaming, however not the entire catalogue. You also get Prime reading and exclusive deals. Of course you have to pay for these benefits. It costs around $120 a year for Prime in the US, £79 a year if you're in the UK. Now, if you make a lot of Amazon purchases over the course of the year and utilize some of these benefits, it will be worthwhile to you, but only you can decide if it's cost effective enough for you to purchase. If you conducted a quick cost benefit analysis and are still undecided whether you should get Prime, there are some other little known benefits you can get with it. For example, unlimited photo storage. This is a great place to back up your photos, keep them in the cloud so in case you lose your phone. Another one is Prime Wardrobe. This is where you can try before you buy. You get 7 days to try on the items and will only be charged for the items you decide to keep. Twitch Prime for all you Twitch fans. This gives you ad-free viewing on Twitch. Amazon Pantry. This is where you can shop for everyday items. Amazon Family, where you can save money on nappies and baby food subscriptions. Amazon Household. Here you can share Amazon Prime with one adult member of the household, so you can effectively split the cost between 2 people. You also get 20% off Alexa skills. These are basically Alexa apps that can be activated using specific commands. These are free, but some skills have paid subscriptions for additional content. I'm not sure if all these features are available in every country, so you'll have to check your local Amazon site to see if they appear. If they do, happy days. Based on all these features, £12 a month doesn't really sound that much, but it's up to you if it works out. I'm a Prime member because I like watching the Grand Tour and Mr. Robot. I also like to get free next day delivery. There you go, there's a lot of options here for you to save money with Amazon. Hopefully you found this video useful and learned new ways to use the site. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.